Hi, my name is John Ball. I'm a rising senior physics major here at the University of Maryland College Park, and I'm incredibly excited to show off to you my personal favorite demo from the University of Maryland Physics Lecture Demonstration Facility, the Can Crusher. Actually, it is so much my favorite that I brought with me a hard copy of the original 1994 paper that describes the construction and operation of this machine. So let's start by going through the various parts. So at the heart of the Can Crusher is a giant capacitor, which is this large red box here at the bottom. It is a 400 microfarad capacitor that can be charged up to 3,000 volts. And on top of that capacitor is a spark gap switch. So inside there are two pieces of metal, and when we lift the actuator switch, we bring them close enough that a spark can form, and we can discharge the energy inside of the capacitor. The energy then flows from the capacitor through the coil, which is this compacted object here at the front where we have 3 turns of very thick copper wire, which the current quickly discharges through. We also have a DC voltmeter to measure the voltage across the capacitor so we know when it's done charging. And in the back of the device, we have a large high voltage power supply to charge up the capacitor. So now I'm going to load the device. So I'm going to start by retrieving my soda can of choice. In this case, it is a retro-designed Pepsi can. And I'm going to open the 2 ports on either side of the device, the acrylic housing, and then I'm going to wedge the soda can inside of the coil pack here. All right. And now I am ready to start charging. So I'm going to put on my headphones and make sure that no one is in the line of sight of our can. I'm going to plug our demo in. And I'm going to turn on the high voltage charging power supply. And now I can start watching the DC voltmeter as the capacitor begins to charge. Once that DC voltmeter hits 3,000 volts, we will be ready to crush. All right, and we're now just touching 3 kilovolts, so I'm going to turn off the power supply. I'm going to ask everyone to cover their ears, and we're going to crush a can in 3, 2, 1. And we can see that our soda can is blown apart, and if you could feel it through the camera, you'd know that it is warm, as so much energy was used to split it in half. So here we have our final result. I'd say that can was quite properly crushed. So thank you so much for watching our video. We hope to see you back again here soon.